a Kenya aikiro ciothe no mathiete na mbere na kumiriria bamiri ya uria wari minista wa githomo Professor George Magoha kuria umuthi munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua acereire bamiri no na gutwara ndumiriri ya gucakaya. Rigathi niarire bamiri no ati thirikari ni kumateithiriria na njira ciothe na gutigirira Magoha ni akahurukio na njira ya gitio kuona ni mundu ratungateire muingi na njira nene na makiria sekta-ini ya githomo.
Kenya Defence Forces will provide a military helicopter to take the body home together with members of the family on the Friday preceding the Saturday burial. Again, the family requested that we give some financial support, which we have committed to support the family effort in terms of funeral preparations and feeding the thousands of mourners who are expected. We have also instructed that we provide food, relief food, to all the residents of Gem.
Mifango etiganite no irathie na mbere na Magoha akahurukio Jumamothi ya tariki 11 mweri ukite wa February.
Professor Magoha the late was a great man, a distinguished public servant, a committed educationist, a very good surgeon, and more than that, a very humble man. But for me, as a truthful man like myself, he says what is in his mind.
Ningi Gachagua nioritie andu kunyitanira maundu-ini matiganite maria marikuo akiuga riri ni ihinda ria atongoria kunyitana na kurutira muingi wira kuona uteti niwathirie. Ihinda-ini riu nake muru wa nyina na Magoha Professor Alex Richard Magoha ni athikirwo umuthi mwena wa Siaya. Richard akwereire bururi-ini wa Amerika tariki 6 mweri wa Disemba mwaka muhituku na mweri wa nyira guku bururi-ini keriga kiumia giki mathaa 6 tu thutha wa Magoha kuhuruka muthenya ucio. Riu family ya Magoha ni yuritie a Kenya kumanyitirira na mahoya.
I myself, Padri, if it be, convene another session like this one here for my final journey. I welcome it because you can't be a Christian who has faith in God and you are a coward of exiting to the better place. So we, Magohas, we are not cowards. I repeat it again. I have had God messages and I thank you for those messages, but it is well. It has always been well, and it shall be well. And we say amen.
Tabu, we have not died in a war. Those who have died natural death.
Rikoretwo riri igutha inene kuri family ya Magoha gukorwo moritwo ni anake atatu kwa ihinda ria miaka 2 kuona mwaka wa 2021 family no ni yathikire mwanake ungi wao Charles Magoha uria wakwiriire Sweden. Atongoria aria megwikinyitie mathiko-ini maya ni macakaite na family no.
We want to assure you that President Uhuru Kenyatta and his team will stand with you. After today, we'll still come back because we know that on 11th, you will be burying your brother, Professor George Magoha. And we're here to assure the family that you will not be alone. We'll stand with you.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni jitagwo Wagoi wa Mwiruri.